Hey you guys, welcome again. It's the second, and today yesterday we talked about what R was and what a scatter plot was. Today we're finding and interpreting R squared and least squares regression line. This is just how to do it in the calculator. So this will also go in the calculator video. Calculator, first before you do this, you hit second 0. And then you can scroll all the way down to D, or you can actually just push the button that says D above it, and then scroll down to diagnostic on, and you hit enter until it says it's done. That means your calculator will see R and R squared. If you don't do that, it doesn't show it. So that's the thing. So then to actually find them, you go stat, edit, put some data in your lists, X, Y. Then you can quit. Then you go stat, calc, go down to number 8, linreg A plus BX. If you have an old calculator, just hit enter one more time. If you have a new one, go down to calculate. And it shows equation for a line, A and B being the A and B down here. And X and Y are just going to stay X and Y. R squared. So that's everything that we're finding. So the line is your best fit line. That's called the least squares regression line. R and R squared, well, we'll talk about that. So R is called the correlation coefficient. That was yesterday's notes. To interpret R, you want to use context. So X and Y's relationship is weakly linear and positive for 0.7, because it's like positive and 0.7 is kind of weak as opposed to like 1 being perfectly strong. So we sort of talked about R yesterday though, but that's how you interpret it. R squared is called the coefficient of determination, and it's literally just the R value squared, R value times itself. The interpretation, the proportion or percent of variation in Y is due to its linear relationship with X. So if we're talking about height and weight, I did an actual example here. Say R value is 0.7. I said 70% of the variation in weight is because of its linear relationship, or in height. Wow, weight and weight. I gotta fix that. Height is X. So, that says height. That doesn't say weight. Dang, my handwriting is awesome. So 70% of the variation in height is because of its linear relationship with X. Least squares regression line is what lsrl means. That's the best fit line. We'll talk about it more tomorrow.